Hey there, project managers and team leaders. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to check a task, update a project, or collaborate with your team while on the go? If so, then you've probably wondered, does Wrike have a mobile app? Well, let's dive in and find out together. Imagine this. You're on a client meeting, and suddenly, a critical task needs your attention. You whip out your phone, open the Wrike app, and quickly address the issue. No more scrambling to find your laptop or rushing back to the office. Sounds like a dream, right? Before we answer the main question, let's take a quick look at what Wrike is and why it's so popular. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate, organize tasks, and track progress. It's loved by businesses of all sizes, from startups to large corporations. Answering the question, yes, Wrike does have a mobile app. Now, let's get to the point. Yes, Wrike does have a mobile app, and it's pretty impressive. The Wrike app is designed to give you the same functionality and power as the desktop version, right in the palm of your hand. Key features of the Wrike mobile app: task management, create, assign, and track tasks on the go; project management, view project timelines, Gantt charts, and more; collaboration, communicate with your team through comments, at mentions, and real-time updates; time tracking, record your time spent on tasks to accurately measure productivity; document management, access and share files directly from the app; notifications, stay updated on important events and deadlines. Benefits of using the Wrike mobile app: increased productivity, stay organized and efficient, even when you're not at your desk; improved collaboration, collaborate with your team in real time, no matter where you are; enhanced accessibility, access your projects and tasks from anywhere, anytime; better work-life balance, reduce stress by staying connected to your work without being tied to your desk. Demo and walkthrough. Now let's take a quick look at the Wrike mobile app in action. Insert screen recording or live demo of the app's key features. Addressing common concerns. Internet connectivity. Don't worry about internet connectivity. Wrike's offline mode allows you to access and edit your projects even when you're offline. App performance. The Wrike app is designed to be fast and responsive, even on older devices. Compatibility. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. So, there you have it. Wrike's mobile app is a must-have for anyone who wants to stay organized, productive, and connected to their team. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect tool for taking your project management on the go. If you're not already using Wrike, now is the perfect time to give it a try. Visit the Wrike website to learn more and start your free trial. And don't forget to download the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.